Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. I turn on the fasten seatbelt sign. Should be pulling out in a few seconds. And pilots, please prepare for departure. We will be airborne in 3 minutes.
San Diego clearance delivery, Southwest 2986, IFR to San Antonio, ready to copy. Southwest 2986 is cleared to San Antonio Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 13,000. Departure frequency is 127.3, squawk 2716. Southwest 2986, cleared at San Antonio Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 13,000. Departure on 127.3, squawk 2716. Southwest 2986, reback is correct. Contact ground on 123.9 when ready to taxi. San Diego clearance delivery. Frontier Flight 566, IFR to Denver, ready to copy. Frontier Flight 566 is cleared to Denver Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 7,000. Departure frequency is 127.3, squawk 2172. Frontier Flight 566 cleared to Denver Airport as filed. Fly runway heading, climb and maintain 7,000. Departure on 127.3, squawk 217. San Diego ground, Southwest 2986.
Welcome aboard our Airlines Flight. Welcome aboard on Southwest Airlines Flight 2986, service to San Antonio, Texas, in the Boeing 737-300, cruising altitude will be 9,000 feet. Of our safety features, all passengers, you should be sitting to seatbelt, security fasten seatbelt, put your seat and lift the buckle to unfasten it. Please be have your seatbelt fastened all times are seated, even if the seatbelt sign off. As unexpected turbulence could occur anytime. Put all your stuff away, even an overhead bin or under your seat. Also, all electronic devices should be away. That includes iPods, video camcorders, video recorders, cell phones, P players. Also, like cell phones and other devices that transit signals should be off or should be in airplane mode, because it could interfere with the aircraft systems such as the autopilot, radios, and GPS and navigation systems. There's no smoking on this flight. That also includes laboratories, and federal law prohibits for tampering, messing with disabling the last laboratory. There are 6 exits on this 737-700. There's 3 on each side. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and 2 in the middle, which is overwing. If you're sitting in an overwing exit, you must be able to do it and do so. Open the exit and do not block it. Also, if the plane loses power and gets stuck, there will be emergency lights going on. White lights which lead to exit. Please look around the planes because there could be one right behind you. Also, in case of water landing, we have life jackets. Do not use them unless instructed to put them on, and to blow it, you can pull on the tab so it can manually inflate it in the tube, but do not do it while in an aircraft. After you leave, also the seat cushions could be used for flotation. The cabin will be pressurized. However, if there's a sudden change of cabin pressure, oxygen mask will deploy. Just grab one. Boy on, reach and to breathe normally. Back in a flight box and will self-heal. And please secure your own before doing others, so that the lights will be turned dim. If you want a light, each seat has its own light just turn on. We're gonna go we need to do an altitude of grade 9,000 feet, be sipping drinks. We're gonna go to the cabin and collect our stuff. or next after takeoff, after this plane lands, all the flight attendants, please be safe for takeoff. You'll be airborne shortly. Thank you.